How to run code when a class is subclassed? Is there a way to trigger code when my class is subclassed? Should output
Classes, by default, are instances of type. Just as an instance of a class foo is created by foo equals foo ... an instance of type, i.e. a class, is created by my class equals type name, basis, subclassed. If you want something special to happen at the moment of class creation, then you have to modify the thing creating the class, i.e. type. The way to do that is to define a subclass of type, i.e. a metaclass. A metaclass is to its class as a class is to its instance. In Python 2 you would define the metaclass of a class with where watcher is a subclass of type. In Python 3 the syntax has been changed to both are equivalent to where in this case, name equals the string superclass, and basis is the tuple, object. The subclassed is a dictionary of the class attributes defined in the body of the class definition. Note the similarity to my class equals type name, basis, subclassed. So, just as you would use a class's _init_ to control events at the moment of an instance's creation, you can control events at the moment of a class's creation with a metaclass's _init_. Prints.
Edit, my old post actually didn't work. Subclassing from class method doesn't work as expected. First, we would like to have some way to tell the metaclass that this particular method is supposed to have the special called. On subclass behavior, we'll just set an attribute on the function we'd like to call. As a convenience, we'll even turn the function into a class method so that the real base class it was found in can be discovered, too. We'll return the class method so that it can be used as a decorator, which is most convenient. We're also going to want a convenient way to see that the subclass _hook decorator was used. We know that class method has been used, so we'll check for that, and only then look for the is_subclass_hook attribute. Finally, we need a metaclass that acts on the information. For most cases, the most interesting thing to do here is just check each of the supplied bases for hooks. In that way, super works in the least surprising way. And that should do it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.